Welcome. In this video, I'm going to guide you step by step on how to add another account on the Instagram app for PC with the new update. If you've been looking for a simple and quick way to switch between multiple accounts without logging in and out each time, this will help you out. First, open the Instagram app on your computer. When the app loads, you'll see your home page with your feed and icons at the top. Look towards the top right corner where your profile picture is located. Right next to it, you'll notice an option that says Switch. Click on it to open up the account options. Here, you'll see the accounts you've already signed into, and below that you'll have the option to log in with another one. Go ahead and click on Log into an existing account. This will open up the login screen where you can add a completely different profile. Now, type in the username and password for the account you want to add. Double-check your details so you don't run into an error, and once you're confident the information is correct, click the Log In button. Instagram will take a quick moment to authenticate your account. After logging in, you'll be automatically redirected back to your home feed. From here, you can easily switch between your accounts whenever you need to. All it takes is clicking on Switch at the top right corner, where you can see both accounts available. This is especially useful if you manage a personal page, a business profile, or if you simply have more than one account for different purposes. With just a couple of clicks, you can now move from one to the other without the hassle of signing out. That's all it takes to add another account on the Instagram app for PC using the new update. It's quick, it's easy, and it keeps your experience smooth and organized. If this guide helped you, make sure to give it a try on your own app and keep your accounts just one click away.